Hello everyone, Donna Holloman here, PC User Nerd, and I am helping people with tutorials on how to use their personal computer. And today we'll talk about how to create a basic Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. And I already started. I have it titled PC User Nerd. I put in a description, and this is a monthly bills. This is so totally basic. All you have to do is open your Excel spreadsheet, and as always from the start menu, if you used it before, it'll be here. If not, you can go to all programs and it will be in Microsoft Office. If you go down to Microsoft Office here, and there's your Excel spreadsheet, and all you have to do is start from here. Sometimes your squares will turn out small like this, and how you open it is you see the double arrows. Hover your mouse over the double arrows, double click, and it will adjust exactly how much space is available, or you can hold down the mouse key and open it up. So I started here with telephone. Let's say our telephone bill is $78 a month. Our gas bill is maybe $34. Our electric maybe $125. Our mobile phone $58. And website, let's say that's $18 a month. And how this formatted, sometimes it'll just come out like 78, and you'll see there's no zeros, but you can press this button here and that'll get your zeros in there. Okay, and how you add these up. First, let's talk about total, and total is formatted to the left, to the right side of the margin of this cell. So you can either keep it as straight, you can center your letters, or you can put that there. I like the total there because it kind of stands out. And you can take these, highlight it, hold down your mouse, highlight it, and you can make that centered, or you can make that right margin. So we're going to add, and if you go over here, there's auto sum, and we're just going to add. Of course, there's other options. There's average, there's count numbers, and there's a ton more calculations you can do. If you're taking algebra in college right now or in school, you can use Excel spreadsheet to help you out along a little bit. But we're going to just add, we're going to sum it up, and most of the time it will highlight your recent numbers. Sometimes it may not. If it doesn't, you just hold down your mouse, hold down your left mouse key until you get to the desired number and let go, and then press enter. And there, monthly payment for these bills are $303 per month on these dates. Now let's say I want to put this in alphabetical order. I want to take my whole line there. I want to highlight, hold down until I get to my desired figures, and I'm going to go to data, and I'm going to sort, and I'm going to sort by column A. Because I already have it highlighted, it won't calculate these because I consider these my title. So I'm going to go ahead and press OK, and there you have it in alphabetical order now. And to get the underline is your home, and there's our underline under the home tab ribbon, and I chose the thick bottom border, and that is it. So if you have any questions, concerns, please comment below and subscribe to PC User Nerd today on my YouTube channel. And thank you for stopping by. And this is Donna Holloman. Have a great day.